We already mentioned new set of restoration filters included in Measurement Utility version 5.2.1. In this video, I would like to run SCU filters on different images to demonstrate their advantages. The first area of application, compressed images, JPG/JPEG. Not for all specific tasks, OEM vendors share raw images. Another area of interest is a stochastic measurement where customer required to use big FOV, field of view, for mass measurement with low pixel resolution settings. And probably it will be very attractive for R&D material pathfinding and emerging technologies, as per current image of DSA and later images of polymer structure. Another examples of polymer imaging. Here JPEG/JPG restoration effect. Better cross-section decomposition. Just fantastic results for 3D structures. Better underlayer detection. Thank you.